We all keep a first aid kit at home, but have you ever wondered what's inside it? Painkillers help in alleviating headaches or injuries, but overuse can lead to stomach issues like acidity or ulcers. And what about ointments? Some can cause skin irritation or allergic reactions. And then there are antibiotics, which are lifesavers when used properly, but overuse can contribute to antibiotic resistance. But what if I tell you that Ayurveda has its own emergency first aid system? A system that's natural, fast acting, and safe. Even in ancient times, Raja Vaidyas travelled with a mini emergency box. Inside it were medicines that healed wounds, stopped bleeding, treated bites, reduced fever, and soothed burns instantly. Today I'll show you the Ayurveda First Aid Kit every home needs and tell you how each medicine works according to Ayurveda so you know exactly why they are so effective. Let's start with Murivanna, the emergency oil for injuries. This oil works on sports injuries, soft tissue trauma, sprains and strains, post fracture swelling, and ligament injuries. Murivinna contains herbs like karanja, shikru, and aloe, which specify Vata, the dosha responsible for pain, stiffness, and sudden injuries. It also balances Pitta for reducing inflammation and burning. For better results, warm the oil gently and apply with a gauze or bandage. Next we have Triphala Churna. For fresh wounds, bleeding cuts, infected wounds, and even mouth ulcers, Triphala Churna is unmatched. It stops bleeding, cleanses deeply, and prevents infection. Triphala balances all the three doshas. Haritaki cleans wounds, Vibhitaki reduces swelling, Amlaki cools and stops bleeding. This makes it a natural antiseptic, antibacterial healer. For application, mix Triphala Churna with ghee or coconut oil to make a paste and apply on the affected area. Even in bleeding gums, Triphala water gargles can instantly give relief. Next up we have Shatadhauta Grita. For burns, rashes, eczema, allergies, insect bites and even dry lips, Shatadhauta Grita is essential. This ghee washed 100 times feels like cold silk on the skin. It deeply pacifies pitta, the dosh behind heat, burning, redness, and skin irritation. It penetrates the skin through microchannels, srotas, repairing the cells from within. It also forms a protective barrier on burns and prevents scarring. Sitopaladi Churna. For cough, cold, fever, low immunity, indigestion, Sitopaladi is a must. It primarily works by balancing the Vata and Kapha doshas, which are often implicated in respiratory and digestive ailments. It addresses the Agni and clears toxins from the body channels. Its main ingredients are Sitopala, Vanchalochan, Pippali, Ela, and Tvak. Sooth Shekhar Vati. It primarily acts by pacifying the Pitta and Vata dosh, which are considered the main causes for headaches, especially those associated with Amla Pitta, Urdhvak Pitta, sour belching, burning in chest, nausea, and vomiting. It contains Sutta, Trikatu, Danti, Chitrak, and other herbs that are Deepan Pachan and Pitta Shaman. A common dosage is 1 to 2 tablets after meals taken with warm water, honey, or ghee. Next is Shankhavati, also known as Hingu Shankhavati, Ayurveda's fastest relief for gas, bloating, and stomach aches. It contains Shankha Basma, Hingu, Saindava Lavana, Jiraka, which are Vat Anuloman, and Amapachan. 1 to 2 tablets are generally taken after food. Some Shamani Vati, also known as Guduchi Ganavati. It is a single drug rasayan and best Ayurvedic medicine for jwara of all types, especially Vishama jwara, viral fevers, and ama induced fevers. It is indicated in all fevers, ojas depletion, Raktadushti disorders, and ama vish conditions. In acute fever, 2 tablets 2 to 3 times a day after meal can be taken. Another important element of the first aid kit is the Gulab Arka, which is an anti-emetic drug. Even by just smelling a pure herb, the vomiting reflux can be stopped. Acharya Sushrut describes Sira Vyadha or venipuncture as Ardha Chikitsa, the half treatment of all surgical interventions. Here we observe its precise applications for managing high blood pressure. This procedure acts as a powerful Shodhan therapy, instantly reducing the load on circulatory system. फर्स्ट एड किट आसता पळय जेन्ना आमकां कितें लागता कितें दुखता तेन्ना आमी एक फर्स्ट एड किट तयार दवरता पळय तशें आमच्या आयुर्वेदिकांनी अशी थोडी वखदां आसा जी आमी आयुर्वेदीक फर्स्ट एड किटान दवरपाक शकता तर तितून पयलें म्हणल्यार आतां सपोज आमकां कसली जखम जाली कितें झरकटलें जाल्यार हेका म्हणटा त्रिफला चूर्ण हितून न्ही वाटेर इल्लें घेवपाचो हो पावडर तितून तूप ना जाल्यार तेल मिक्स करून तेची अशी पेस्ट करपाची आनी ते खंय जखम जाल्या पळय थंय ती लावपाची दुसरें म्हणल्यार खंय आमकां दुखापत जाता अशें खंय पांय मुरगळटा असो किंवा शोल्डर पेन जाता खंय मसल पेन जाता थंय हे मुरिवेना तेल म्हणून मुरिवेना तेल लावपाचें आमी बाम लायता आयडेक्स लायता त्याच्या जाग्यार मुरिवेना तेल म्हणून आसता ते हातीन इल्लें घेवन गरम करून मातशें खंय लावपाचें खंय दुखता थंय दूख रोखडी वता आनी हे शतत होतं घृत म्हणून कळ्ळें तुपा पासून करता 100 फावटी तूप धुवन तेचे शतत होतं घृत अशी क्रीम भशेन आसता ती खंय सपोज आमकां भाजलें खंय पुळयो आयल्यो कितें चाबलें जाल्यार ही क्रीम कशी थंय लावप थंडी बी जाली कफ जालो जाल्यार सितोपलादी चूर्ण म्हणून तो म्होवान मिक्स करून चाटपाचो चाटण भशेन तितून खोकली रोखडी थांबता बी आयलो न्ही जाल्यार जेवून ही 2 गुळी घेवपाची कसल्याय प्रकारचो जोर व्हायरल किंवा आनी कितें थंडी खातीर दोन्ही फावटी घेतल्यार उपकारता जेवच्या मागीर 2 गुळ्यो शंखवटी म्हणून जर पोट जड जाला आनी पोटान दुखता तसलें कितें बी आसत न्ही जाल्यार ही गुळी जेवच्या पयलीं 2 घेवपाची गॅस बी जाता तितून तशीच ही सूट सेकर म्हणून तितून एसिडिटी जाता जळजळटा बी न्ही ती तशीच गुळी घेवपाची जेवच्या मागीर 2 गुळ्यो जेवच्या मागीर तितून कितें सपोज जळजळटा एसिडिटी जाल्यार ते थांबता आयुर्वेदान मगे फर्स्ट एड मेडिसीन आसता जशें की खंय झरकटलें बी न्ही जाल्यार हे त्रिफला चूर्ण आसता ते तेलान मिक्स करपाचें तेची पेस्ट करपाचें आनी लावपाचें खंय जखम बी जाल्या जाल्यार खंय रगत बी येता जाल्यार हें लावपाचें आनी सपोज खंय दुखता अशें पांय असो ट्विस्ट बी जाला जाल्यार पांय दुखता शोल्डर दुखता मान दुखता खांदो दुखता जाल्यार हे तेल आसता ते मातशें हातीन घेवन चोळपाचें आनी गरम जाता तें लावपाचें खोकली बी जाता हय आनी तेन्ना असो कफ बी भरता पळय तेन्ना हे सितोपलादी चूर्ण म्हणून आसा ते म्होवान घालून हें करून खावपाचें जोर येता पळय तेन्ना ही गुळी घेवपाची शमशमनी वटी म्हणून जोर येता तेन्ना ना 2 गुळ्यो जेवल्या उपरांत घेवपाच्यो गरम बी लागता न्ही गरम बी लागता आनी स्क्रीन अशी पिटे आनी कितें कितें आसता पळय तेन्ना हे शतत होतं घृत म्हणून क्रीम कशी लावपाची सूत शेकर म्हणून एसिडिटी जाता पळय एसिडिटी जाता जळजळटा तेन्ना ही 2 गुळ्यो घेवपाच्यो शंखवटी म्हणून पोटान बी दुखता पळय शंखवटी पोटान बी दुखता पळय आनी अशें जड जड दिसता गॅस बी करता पळय तेन्ना ही गुळी गॅस जाल्या
I got a burn on my hand while ironing clothes. I immediately kept the affected area under the cold water and applied Shata Dhatu Gruta for few days. It really helped me in my burning feeling and also to heal the wound.